Alright, interweb land. We're back at it for another Rosco Odyssey walking talk. Today is some Rosco's garage. Alright, so we got this radiator back in there. It's all buttoned up. I know I didn't give the step by step, but it's all buttoned up. And you can hear that engine purr. That's gasoline right there. That's purring. It's not E85 though. This one I think you got to put at least 85 octane, I think, but or 92, maybe 92 because it's a turbo. I gotta look that up. But now you can see we got those fittings in there, so those pressure hoses are nice and tight. They're not no leaks, nothing leaking there, and we don't want leaks. Overall, I mean, I'm okay. I'm good with it. I got the radiators full. Probably got to top it off, but I had to run through. I had to basically make sure there's no air trapped in the system, and then I topped. So I had got a little bit of overflow over here on the overfill tube, which is down in here, and so I knew it was topped up to there, and I ran it, keep filling it, make sure the air is bubbling out, and then I put the cap on, and now we're down to here, so I'm gonna have to run and grab some more radiator fluid just to top it off, make sure it stays topped off. Don't want that to get down low. But yeah, we're buttoned back up, ready to run, ready to go get this thing burning rubber. Nah, not on this one. It's all-wheel drive though. All right. So all right. Well, there it is, Rosco's garage. If you listen along this far, thanks.